Welcome back, guys. As we talked about in the previous video, that there are some elements in HTML that are not intended to affect the structure of the web page. They are rather added to add extra information to the page. They're also known as semantic markup. Let's start learning these elements. In this video, we will learn about strong and emphasis element. Alright guys, so we're going to start with strong. Sometimes in writing, there are words that need to be said with strong emphasis. Let's take an example. Let's say we have a paragraph and this, for example, let's say we say medicinal product keep out of the reach of children. We have often seen this growing up, right? So this is how it shows on the browser. So we want to emphasize on this part of the sentence. So we can use the strong element here. And to just copy, cut, paste here. And you see how the text is bold. So that's how we use strong in our sentence. Basically, we are trying to get users' attention and say, you know what, pay attention on this. This is really important. Another example, I would say, I'm often going on hikes, and in Alberta there are a lot of bears. So I do hear, I do see these warnings when I go out. It says, beware. Bears are in this area. So for this, we want to get people's attention so they become aware that something is there. We could use strong tag for beware right here, and then it will say right here, beware. There's bears in the area. So this is how we increase emphasis in a sentence on certain words. So I hope you're wondering that what is the difference between strong and the B, the bold tag. Like for example, I could change this to B right here, and it will look just the same. So what's the difference? As we said, semantic markup adds information to the text for the browser. And it seems like it doesn't have any difference, but there is a difference. Think about blind people and mobile phones. How does the text look like means nothing to a blind user of your website. By using strong, it could mean a lower tone for speaking software that they use to browse website. Same goes to mobile phones and other PDAs, where text is already bold because of small resolution. So it's really important to consider blind and visually impaired users of your website while developing. There are elements and attributes that help them browse through the web pages. We will learn about all these attributes and elements all through this course. The next element that we are going to learn is emphasis. Emphasis is used to subtly change the meaning of a sentence. Let's take an example. Let's say we're talking about cute animals. So I'll write a paragraph, and I'll say cats are cute animals. So since we're talking about cute animals, we can just have emphasis over cats. And then if you see it makes it italic. So that's what emphasis does. You emphasize a word, and then it should change the meaning of a sentence. In this context, we're talking about cute animals. So we're saying cats are cute animals. Now, if someone says that cats are not cute, so in that case, you want to emphasize on that, no, they are. So you can add include this in emphasis tag. So this just shows that no, cats are cute animals. Another example would be that someone says, "Oh, cats are ugly." In that case, oh my god, okay, I have forgot how to type. So, cats are cute animals. So in that case, we want to emphasize on cute. So we'll put right here. So yes, so in this case, we want to say, yeah, cats are cute animals. So basically, it's just used to change the meaning of a sentence. And as we talked about as bold, we talked about in a strong animal, it looks like, how strong looks like bold. Emphasis also looks like, italic. And some would say, why not just use the I tag for it? Again, the argument is the same. We want our websites to be easily readable by the users who are not able to see or see properly, and people from mobile phones. So that's why we have to use these tags.